Alright, so there's a 2007 Prius 1.5. We're changing the water pump, which is down inside here. Is for the hybrid system, so you want to take this bracket off. It's just two 12mm bolts, one 12 here. You can just clamp the hoses when you're moving it so you don't lose coolant. The water pump looks like this. One electrical, two hoses. Pretty simple. Not really that hard to do. So when we get this bracket off, we get kind of in there and we'll continue. Okay, so basically I took this clamp off, just regular, pliers. Then you have the other one back there, right there. Take that off. Basically you fit your hand in here to do it. And there's an electrical plug-in, which I use pliers to undo it. Right there, you can see I already undone it. And it's 3 bolts, 3 10mm, so we use my long, a little wobbly. That'll work. So now I'm going to take it out and get back to you. Alright, so I switched it over. You just switch these little rubber pieces. I put it from here to this one. That's basically it. I just take it out, put it through here. Oh, and to take that one bolt on this side off, the 10mm, I ended up using a quarter with a little wobbly. That worked the best. Just turn it sideways, kind of let it drop in there. It's fine. And just get it lined up in there. And it's pretty straightforward. We can actually use that little quarter wobbly to start them all. I'm gonna get that started, get it bolted up, and put the hoses on, and I'll show you. Alright, so now it's back in, bolted it up. Wasn't gonna put the electrical in. And the door post clamps, just basically, I had it pinched off so the coolant. Take it off. I have one that's right here too. That way it doesn't lose that much coolant. It dumps some, but not much. So now I'm just gonna put this bracket, that's it on. Back on basically. Just like that. So. Alright, and basically after I put this on, just put this little plastic shield on, and then just top off the coolant, let it run in the on position until it bubbles everything out. And basically just keep doing it and check it. And that's basically it for the water pump for the hybrid system. Thank you for watching.